Good morning everyone. This is Standard 6 Science. We are proceeding toward the chapter 30 Fun with Magnets. In this video number 1, poles of the magnet, we will complete the topic, and second one, finding direction using a magnet. Now poles of a magnet. Okay, now these poles of a magnet always exist in pairs. Okay, now you can see there that south pole and south pole. Okay, and this is the south pole. Here you can see this is the south pole and this is the south pole, north pole, north pole. Okay, when opposite poles of a magnet comes, then what happened? Attraction is occurred. Like here south pole is there, here north pole is there. You can see attraction between two magnets will occur. But as soon as you proceed toward the same pole, that is north to north, they will repel each other. They will repel each other. Now you move toward the south pole and south pole. Here the same pole is there, like poles are there. Okay, so they are repelling each other. Okay, so here when a bar magnet is dipped into a box of iron fillings, what happened? The tiny bits of irons are observed to cling to the ends. Yes. Now you can see this pair of magnet that it has two poles. That is south pole and north pole. A bar magnet consists of two poles, that is south and north. Okay, and north pole we write with the capital letter N. Okay, like that, and south pole we write with the capital letter S. Okay, now magnetic poles always exist in pairs. Okay, if magnet is broken into the middle to the separated poles, then one find new poles formed at the broken end. Okay, now you can see here about a very interesting fact of the magnet, that if a magnet is broken, okay, into two pieces, okay, two pieces so obtained will have two poles, that is north, you can see here, that is north and south. Okay, and of their owns, you can see here this broken pieces has two poles, that is north and south, and another this broken pieces is the north and south. Now again I am saying, if you again break each piece of these two pieces into two, you would again get two poles. Here you can see, if you have this first this you have broken, then two poles. Okay, north south, again these poles, this magnet has been broken half. Okay, this magnet broken half, you can see four parts of the magnet comes. Then again each magnet, piece of a magnet, has its own pole, that is north south, north south, north south. Like this, how much you piece do? Okay, if you continue breaking the magnet into smaller pieces, each pieces of the magnet that you obtain will have both north and south pole. Thus, even the smallest piece of a magnet is complete magnet in itself. This means that we cannot isolate north pole or south pole of a magnet. Okay, and the poles of a magnet always exist in pairs. You can see here how much we have broken the magnet, but they exist in pair, north south and north south. Okay, we can also say that the poles of a magnets are inseparable. Okay, now we will read about the magnetic compass. Okay, the magnetic compass is an instrument. You can see here, this is an instrument. This instrument is called magnetic compass. Okay, which is used to find directions. It consists of a small bar magnet. Here it It is a small bar magnet. Okay, and this small bar magnet is enclosed in a small box having a glass top. Okay, this is a small box that is a glass top. Okay, the needle is free to move. This one is the needle. It is free to move about its center, and the base of the box is marked with the directions. Okay, here you can see it is marked with the direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. And in between that, this is northwest. This is the north part, so this is the west part. So the base of the box is marked with direction like north, south, east, west, and northeast, northwest. Okay, this is north, this is northeast, this is northwest, it is southwest, and it is southeast. Okay, and this magnetic compass is used of a great use to travelers, okay, and navigators, as it tells them the directions in which they are traveling. Okay, the magnetic compass works on the directive property of a magnet. Okay, what is directive property of a magnet? Means a freely suspended magnet always rests pointing in the north south directions, and this property of a magnet is called directive property. Always when you suspend any magnet, it will show north and south directions. Okay, now here we have seen that how the what is magnetic compass, how it works. It consists a needle, it consists a direction also, north, south, east, west, and in between directions are also there. Okay, and it works with the directive property. That directive property is the free suspended magnet always rest pointing in the north and south direction. Okay, this property of a magnet is the directive property. Means the freely suspended bar magnet points in the north south direction when it comes to rest. On this property it is being made. Okay, thank you everyone.